Oh, pretty nice, man. So, hey, what kind of bike you got there, huh?
Alright, man. Kink Farside.
Kink Farside?
21-inch top tube.
Looks nice. It's nice. Are those nitrous bars?
I got these nitrous bars.
Cool.
8.5 rise.
8.5 rise.
I got the Aaron Ross grips.
Aaron Ross keyboard grips. I'm gonna go look at those.
I got the
Nice.
Haro
bar end. Nice.
right there.
Nice. Never knew that.
I got an Eastern front rim.
Eastern front rim.
Yeah.
Why is that fucking hub purple?
I don't know.
Oh.
Looks alright though.
Oh yeah.
I got the I don't know forks. Exclusively from Dance Comp.
Sweet. I don't know forks from exclusively from Dance Comp. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, and I got this Eastern Letters pivotal seat.
Eastern Letter pivotal seat. Nice.
With a stolen pivotal seat post there.
Oh, nice, nice.
Alright. And I got the Eastern Medusa light sprocket in black.
Nice.
25.
Nice.
This KMC chain in black. Got the Eastern back rim.
Eastern back rim. Let me get a look at that. Nice.
Not too loud, but it's alright.
Not too loud? What are you talking about? That is ridiculous.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got these ugly hollow tires!
Ugly Haro tires.
But I'm getting new ones.
I would agree. You can off Dance Comp? I have Dance Comp?
No.
Why not?
Well, that's it. That's all I got on my bike.
Oh, let me see what you can do in the penis ball, huh?
Well, I'm just doing a 360 for y'all. That's all you had.
360 for all? Alright, cool.
Just a 360?
Alright.
360?
Not bad.
Shit!
Yeah, if you guys like our videos, subscribe, rate, and comment. Thanks, guys.